Time to make a malt liquor video. Vidya. Oh, before I get into that, found this today. Haven't seen it in the 40s yet, but I had to pick that up, man. I can't wait to get a 40 with that motherfucking label right there. Motherfucking Billy D. I'm gonna call his ass in a minute and see what the fuck he's talking about, too. You know what time it is? Time to bring in that motherfucking category 5. It's about to be bold, smooth, and powerful. Because the label says so. Malt motherfucking liquor. To all the malt motherfucking drinkers. Malt liquor. The destruction of Category 5 hurricane. It's fucking unbelievable. Bold, smooth, powerful. Got that second motherfucker over there. But the thing now that I've crushed that fucking hurricane, I'm about to give Billy D a motherfucking call. Till next time, folks. I don't even know. Malt fucking liquor.